Hey guys, Sandra's here. This is Sandra back with another video, and today I wanted to talk about the Powerlease System webinar. We have um, a weekly overview webinar, and it's live every Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And Franco here is always the one presenting the webinar, and it has a lot of information in there and a lot of things that if you're in the Powerlease system you should be looking at, okay, because he teaches you a lot of things that you need to know. So we have this page here. You will learn he will tell you where to go to get a page like this. If you're in the Powerlease system and you still don't understand, then you can contact me and I'll let you know where to go to get a page. This is how we promote the webinar every Wednesday. And what I love about it is that it has everything here for anyone that is new, to be able to make a good decision on signing up. It has the compensation plan, the free lease system. It's just cool. Well, this is a different, another video to watch about the Powerlease system. And the Wednesday, it has the Wednesday hangout on here, and the FAQs. Okay, so that's down here too. That's the frequently asked questions. If you have any questions, they can automatically go here. We have the free trial. The 7-day free trial is here and here. So when you sign up, you get a 7-day free trial, and you see everything free for a week, the whole system, on the gold level. Okay, you see everything that you get. You can click here for more information. We also have a power blog in the back. Okay, if you like to write, you like to blog, we have a blog in the back that you can create and talk about the Powerlease system or whatever program that you're in. And with this webinar, this was last night's webinar. I didn't get a chance to talk about it yesterday because I was busy helping someone in my team. She was having a problem with her domain, so I was doing that for about a couple of hours. I didn't get a chance to make any videos yesterday. But this video, last night's video, he is talking about the capture pages that we have in the back office, and he's showing you all the capture pages here. Beautiful capture pages that you can use, and they're already done for you. And he's showing you in this webinar how to use the capture pages to resell the Powerlease system itself and to generate a full-time stream of full-time stream of cash flow without reinventing the wheel. Okay, so you just these capture pages are done for you, so you don't have to do anything but just plug them into your system and put in your business opportunity with it if you want, and just promote them. So this is just going to be a short video. I just wanted to talk about the Hangouts. The Hangouts give a lot of information. You'll be able to get this this Hangout page to promote, which is really cool, and to give out to your prospects. And also, you should be going to the Hangouts on Wednesdays. If you can't make it, there's replays in the back office. We have a YouTube channel with the Hangouts, and he also explains that in the Hangout, where to go to find the replay Hangouts from all of the ones that he did, not just last night. So go ahead and tune into that. Go in and watch all the hangouts. Watch one a night if you need to catch up. And they're about an hour long, so give yourself an hour time to sit down, relax, have some tea or coffee, and and get some training. Okay, so that's it for today. And remember, you must hustle, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.